So it seems I have already done exercise 12.1, but didn't share it with you. So let's just talk through it. So first I'm going to go to samson.html and right click and hit copy. That will make a copy of it. And then I'll rename it to samson_video.html. And now that's the one we're going to use as we move forward. And we copy just as it says in the textbook. Then you copy the code for running video, and it's the same every time. So you don't have to memorize it. You can even, if you want, instead of copying and pasting it from the application in the file, instead you can go and actually type it in if you want to. But there's no need to do that. You can just copy and paste it. But then you need to go through and change every reference to any folders that you've been using. So for example, this was not linked to the correct file. So we are still using a samson.mp4. Let me open that up in the media file. Samson.mp4 that is in the media file, but you have to get out of the speakers file first. So where we are now in the samson_video.html is inside the speakers folder. So we have to use the .. That will actually take us back, that's back a step, out of the folder that we're currently in. So that gets us out of the speakers folder and back at the main level. Sorry, I don't need that open. Now back at the main level, now I need to go into, or the root level, now I need to go into the media folder and into the correct file. And once I have that path here, I'm going to also place it anywhere else I had previously seen the other path. I think that's the only place at this point, but we're also going to have options for if the file needs to, if we need to fall back to a Shockwave Flash file, just in case the browser can't handle it or the computer doesn't have anything to play in MP4. The earlier version would have been an SWF. So that path is essentially the same, but it's called samson.swf instead. So you place that in anywhere you didn't have that path. So in this case, for me, it's on line 42 and on line 47. My indentations are over far enough, it's hard for me to see which line that's on, but I think that's probably 47. And that's essentially doing all that was on page 453, steps 3 and 4. Well, 1 through 4 we're doing. And, oh, I'm sorry, and line 5. I'm sorry, instruction 5, there we go. And then finally, to modify the poster file, or to make this display the poster file with the picture of Scott Sampson and that fossil that he wants to show, or that we want to show as the poster or as the home page of that video, the home poster of the video. You will change that in the poster attribute of the video element. And that's all there is to it. Give that the correct path. And it is, and you can always check if you've opened the entire folder, you can always check it's in the images folder, and there's a Samson poster. There it is. Sorry, I can't alphabetize. Samson_poster.png, and that's what you're going to use as the page that shows when you first load this video, as opposed to a blank picture or just some random picture that the browser might choose to pick up from the video. And that's all there is. That's all you have to do to add a video. It's certainly something that you can do easily, and that's embedding a video, not linking to a video. So previously we had linked to files, but now we're embedding it. And that's what you'll have to do on your final project as well, to embed that video. Good luck.